Okay, the big question. I'm a new vendor to Cenvi, and I have on my basic profile there. I have a picture of a few different details, but I need it to stand out a little bit. What can I do to do that? What kind of details can I fill out? How do I even go about doing that? And what we're going to do is on our vendor dashboard, I'm signed in as Fraz's Burgers, the new profile that I just created recently. And I'm going to go ahead and click Business Profile. And over here, as you can see, there's a few different details: basic info, contact, business details, and policies. Let's go and really quickly look at the business details. As you can see, there's location, team size, the year established, whether you have insurances, any licenses you have, certifications, specialties, services, and amenities. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and fill some of these out. There's also hours, and so if you have social media, you want people to see, and then policies as well, like terms of service, legal contracts, you can put them in here, refund policies that kind of show up on your account. Let me go ahead and show you an example of that, of a vendor that has some of these things. And so I'm going to go to the client view and click on Murray's. And if you go to vendor details, what you'll notice is that this individual has filled out some of those things. They've filled out some services they offer, like wedding entertainment, corporate events, birthdays, anniversaries. That's what they specialize in. They do live music, DJ services, stuff like that, which is cool for a caterer as well. And they offer different things. They have different certifications as well, and different cancellation policies. You'll note like flexible within 48-hour notice, what deposits required, and so on and so forth. The minimum notice that you need in order to cancel, setup time, and all this stuff. So this info is pretty important and gives you a good overview. And this is kind of what I want my clients to know. It'll help me answer less questions, hopefully, for them, and they get what they want. So by the time a customer comes to me, they're a little confident in my services and the pricing range that I potentially have. They have a little bit of clarity of what I have to offer. And yeah, that's pretty exciting.